Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're starting right away. Unlock the phone and open settings. Tap connections or network settings because Samsung groups call features there. Once you see Wi-Fi calling, don't jump, tap it to view options. Make sure airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi is connected so the setting appears correctly. Carriers sometimes hide it when no network is available. If you already used a different dialer app, close it so the phone shows native call settings. Now you'll turn it off. In the Wi-Fi calling menu, locate the toggle and switch it to off. You're disabling the phone's ability to route calls over Wi-Fi, so expect a short transition back to cellular voice. If a carrier confirmation dialog appears, choose Disable or OK to apply. Once done, press back to exit and check the status bar for cellular signal only. Make sure Do Not Disturb or call forwarding isn't masking changed behavior. Finish by verifying. Place a quick test call and confirm it uses the cellular network, not Wi-Fi. If the setting didn't persist, restart the phone to force system services to reload. This resolves most caching issues. If Wi-Fi calling still shows active, sign out and back into your carrier account or contact carrier support because some providers enforce the feature server side. One key tip: remove and reinsert the SI.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.